Spring is here. This is a time when flowers bloom and home sales peak. It's also a perfect time to tackle home improvements projects. Homeowners everywhere are refreshing their gardens and repainting walls. If you're planning to sell this spring, which projects will give you the biggest return on your investment? Not all improvements will boost your home's value significantly. Today, I'll discuss which projects to avoid, essential repairs to make, and how to choose the right contractor. So transform your home with these simple upgrades to maximize your return on investment. While upgrading your home can increase its value, not all projects are worth the time and money. For example, a top-of-the-line kitchen, remodel, or extravagant landscaping might not be cost-effective. Avoid partial upgrades at all costs. Unfinished projects can negatively impact your final sales price. If you start a project, see it through to the completion. Don't rip out the kitchen cabinets, tear up the bathroom tiles, or pull up the living room carpet unless you plan to finish the job. Adding value to your home is possible with the right projects. Consider replacing your garage door with a newer model. Adding manufactured stone veneer to the exterior can make a great first impression. Simple landscaping that's clean and neat also helps. Inside, focus on mid-range kitchen remodels and updates like fresh carpeting and paint. Ensure everything is functional and up to date without breaking the bank. Choosing the right contractor is crucial for any home improvement project. A good contractor will help you manage costs, suggest high-quality additions within your budget, and get details right the first time. Start by asking friends, family, and neighborhood groups for recommendations. Make a list of top candidates and interview them to find the best fit. Review their proposals, examples of their work, and licenses or certificates they hold. As you prepare your home for sale, think about how each improvement impacts its appeal and value. Strategic investments can significantly increase your home's sale price. Ready to maximize your home's value? I always recommend before starting a project for selling your home to contact a realtor to consider your options. Contact me by phone or email for personalized suggestions and answers to your questions. Let's work together to get the best possible price for your home. I'm DeVonna Meyer with eXp Realty, and this is where real estate meets reality. And I look forward to talking to you soon.